Problem 20. So here I give you the equation that lets you convert from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. And now I'm going to give you this conversion, or I'm going to ask you to use this conversion that I just gave you to convert between units. So this is a type of question I could ask, because this tests, do you know what conversion is? Could you try to explain it if I made one up on the spot? So let's go ahead and use this. So A converts 70 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let's go ahead and do that. That was the remainder of problem 19. Here we're at number 20. So first convert 70 degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius, right? Yeah. And let's write down this formula. 1.8C plus 32. 1.8C plus 32. And then it says 70 degrees Fahrenheit equals blank degrees Celsius. So we have our value for F. 70 equals 1.8C plus 32. Go ahead and subtract 32 from both sides. And I get 38 equals 1.8C. And now I'm going to divide, because I need to get this 1.8 and peel it off of the C here. So divide by 1.8, divide by 1.8. And I'm going to switch these around. That's fine, I can do that. Equal signs work that way. So I take 38 divided by 1.8, and I get about 21.1. So that's what we'll write. Again, I'll round to the nearest tenth. So 70 degrees Fahrenheit is about 21 degrees Celsius. Part B. Now go the other way. Convert 10 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So this was A. Now let's move to B. 10 degrees C equals blank degrees F. So let's take our little formula from before. 1.8 C times plus 32. And now instead of plugging in for F, I plug in for C. So F equals 1.8 times 10 plus 32. And here I don't even have to work too much, because 1.8 times 10 is 18 plus 32. So I get 50. 10 degrees Celsius is the same thing as 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, part C is negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we need to convert it to Celsius. Minus 40 degrees F equals blank degrees C. So let's wrap this one up. Write down the formula again. F equals 1.8 C plus 32. So now I have minus 40 equals 1.8 C plus 32. Subtract 32 from both sides. You get minus 72 equals 1.8 C. Again, I need to get that 1.8 off. Go through, you get C equals minus 40. So what's interesting about this problem? This is where Fahrenheit and Celsius match up. That's just kind of a cool fun fact. It doesn't happen anywhere realistic. Some places I can get minus 40, but it's not something you would ever want to be out in. But it's just kind of a cool fact. That's where those two scales line up.